Hey guys, we're here on Mission Day. Oh yeah, we're working hard, we're running, hanging out with my good friends. Yes, from San Diego Fit Camp. And Kevin, wow, you're already tiring me out. What's the deal here?
Well, we're working hard, burning calories, getting that fat off.
I have never seen this. Okay, so exactly what is this? This is a parachute that you attach to my waist?
That's right, it's going to drag you so you have to run faster, work all those muscles.
Okay, all right, so I want to highlight that one more time. In fact, do you mind going back down there? We'll make you just go down to the second cone and talk about the benefit of doing this.
Benefit allows you to work your muscles like resistance training, but along the same lines you get cardio too.
All right, and how fast should you be running when you do this? At regular speed?
No, it's definitely a sprint. You got to get that thing airborne. See how you got to keep it off the ground? So you got to run hard. It'll drag you back to the water.
I love this idea. Come over here, come over here. Do you really feel the benefit of doing this?
Yeah, it makes you work harder, run harder, dig your feet into the ground a little bit harder, and push off your legs.
How long have you been part of this fit camp?
About 6 months.
6 months. I want to get one of these.
Yeah, everybody needs one.
I'm going to go ahead and try this. Do you mind? Do you mind, Kevin? All right, let me go ahead and run over here. Mark and Linda. All right, so don't make fun of me. I'm sure I won't be flying anywhere anytime soon. All right, here we go. So, Kevin, I'm going to count to 3, and I'm going to see where I'm going to end up, all right? 1, 2, and 3. Oh, wow, you can really feel it. Oh! I'm flying! I'm not flying anywhere. You better stop that. I see you smiling. Kevin, let's come over here because we're not finishing our workouts until we get to these folks. Now, they're hopping like bunnies. What do we have here?
We're doing mule kicks, so it's calisthenics, burning calories, keeping the heart rate going.
Oh, yeah? And talk about what else can people expect from you guys here at camp?
Well, they're going to get really good workouts. They're going to get their butts kicked, and we're going to burn calories and lose fat.
All right, San Diego FitCamp.net for all the information. Thank you so much. And coming up, I understand that I'm going to be doing some burpees, as I promised you. And I see them doing push-ups right there, or doing something with the medicine ball. I'm already tired. So anyway, hey guys, have a good Tuesday morning. Back to you in the station.
God, that makes me want to get out and work out.